Good afternoon, Villa Park. I'm Mayor Robbie Pitts, and I'm reaching out to you today to provide you an update of the goings-ons here in Villa Park and also things that are related to the COVID-19 pandemic. First of all, I'd like to start off by saying that I think everyone is doing an amazing job managing through this COVID-19 pandemic that we're having. I don't know if people are following the numbers recently, but if you look at the county numbers that are coming out on a daily basis, the numbers of infection rate has dropped significantly over the course of the last 4 to 5 weeks. It's very encouraging to see the numbers go down, especially in the areas of 0 deaths. That's even more amazing. And the rate of climb for the city of Villa Park has not been as drastic as it has been in the past. Unfortunately, we've seen now 46 cases in the city, but I think we're doing a really, really good job of managing our social distancing and all the other things that we're doing, wearing masks and so forth, to prevent the spread of the virus. So I'm really proud of the city and all the residents for doing so. And I'm elated that the numbers in Orange County have dropped off drastically. So look forward to things hopefully releasing here soon. I know that we're on a 14-day watch list. We're like 11 days away from the possibility of opening back up the county, which is very, very encouraging and exciting to hear. So some of our businesses can reopen and work in a more normal environment. So really looking forward to that. Keep up the good work, and thank you. And of course, any of our seniors that need help, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. I know that the Rotary is currently doing the Meals on Wheels and delivery of food service to your homes. So please reach out to them if you're stuck at home and can't make it out. We're more than happy to help out and bring meals to you. So I appreciate all that they're doing with this, and that was grant money that was given to the city. So we in turn solicited their help, and they've been kind enough to take it on and do the work for us. So really do appreciate that. Last but not least, I wanted to update you on what's going on here in City Hall. I'm really, really excited about the fact that we've renovated City Hall, and it looks so beautiful right now, especially with all the new technology that's recently been installed. I don't know if you know this or not, but tonight will be our first council meeting in person since the COVID pandemic hit back in March. And we'll be utilizing not only the new technology that I'll show you here in a minute in the council chambers, but we'll also be connecting Zoom and having virtual meetings with other folks outside of the city council. So without further ado, I want to show you what's been going on here in the City Hall with regards to renovation, because it really does look nice. And we've made significant improvements in our audio-visual capabilities within the chambers itself. You'll notice that up front and behind the dais, you'll see 2 very large displays that we're using, along with 2 displays that, amateur, here. 2 displays that will be used to display information to the public when they're sitting out in the seats out here. Also, there will be a confidence monitor that we installed up here for the council so that they're facing forward can see what's going on and what's being presented and so forth. We've installed all new microphones at the dais for communications. And I think, I don't know if you can see these or not, but we've also installed 8 speakers in the ceiling, because I know in the past folks have had a hard time hearing some of us when we were speaking at the dais. So hopefully now with the 8 speakers across the audience part of the building, you'll be able to hear us much better. And also there's built-in microphones in the ceiling so that you can talk and we can hear you as well as a part of the presentation. The biggest thing was we got rid of the old projector that was hanging in the ceiling, that you had to use a stick to start the projector, and you had to have a stick to pull down the shades. So all of that's gone now, as you can see, and we don't have to cover up the city seal when we do presentations and so forth. So everything looks amazing. I want to thank our city manager, all the staff, and all the hard work that went into this. And I know most of you probably know that we voted a couple of months ago for the new technology enhancements that you see here in City Hall. And all of that's we're going to take part of tonight when we do our first council meeting back in chambers. So look forward to that. Look forward to seeing all of you tonight. We will be following social distancing guidelines tonight. I don't know if you can see this or not, but we have 2 positions down front, and then 3 council members will be sitting at the dais tonight so that we can socially distance and keep apart. And then we have tables out here for staff, and they too will be socially distanced. Now, for those of you that want to attend the meeting and provide public comment, it's available, but we will only allow a certain number of people. I think it's 2 people in the building at one time. So you'll be asked to wait outside until your turn to come in and do public comment. So, but if you want to come, please come and provide any insight that you have with regards to anything that's on the agenda tonight or not, okay? So I'm really excited about tonight, really look forward to it. I'm happy for everything that's going on here in the city. Things are kind of quiet, which is good, but it's summertime. I know everybody's been putting up with the terrible heat lately, but hopefully that'll get better too as well. So take care, God bless you, thank you, and we'll see you soon.